Hello, this is Zetsaw. I'd like to introduce you these V-series. These are folding saws that are outstanding in portability and putting them away. They have three kinds. First of all, it's a popular folding saw of handy utility H200 V-Handy Carpentry. The second one is V-Handy 200 board that I introduced you before. Then V3 265. As for the feature of the handle, it has a bi-angle adjustment. The first one is this usual angle. The other is that the angle becomes like this. This helps us cut woods on the ground. As for replacement blades, we can attach screw-fit blades, but I'd like you to choose shorter ones than the handle, because longer ones are not tucked in it. For example, I attached the bamboo 270 saw blade in the V3 handle. We can fold the blade perfectly. I think it is easy for you to carry the saw when you cut bamboos. I talked about the saws, but I'd like you to understand that we don't sell the only handles. I'd like you to enjoy combining the saw blades after buying this V-series. Alright, I introduced you Zetsaw V-series. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.